Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to activate third-party carrier-calculated shipping in your Shopify store. This feature allows us to display real-time shipping rates from carriers, giving customers accurate shipping costs at checkout. Let's go through the steps to set it up. On the Shopify dashboard, we need to go to Settings. The settings can be found in the lower left part of the screen. Just click that option. Once here, we need to click Shipping and Delivery. Pause. Now, once we are in this section, we need to select Carrier Cards. Pause. To activate third-party carrier-calculated shipping in Shopify, we must first have the right plan. As shown here, we need to upgrade the plan first, since this is a premium feature. Pause. Once we have a premium plan, we can go back to this section and then click Activate here. This will enable third-party carrier-calculated shipping in Shopify. And that is how we activate third-party carrier-calculated shipping in your Shopify store. With real-time rates, we can provide a more transparent and reliable checkout experience for our customers.